Hi, my name is Katia and I'm one of the Asigmo data science trainers. I am the CEO of an environmental space tech startup, which is called Nina Space. I teach and consult in data science and I mentor a lot in the startup and technological world. I'm here to teach you the following things. We start with maths, then we do programming, we do data science preparation in Python and Pandas, we do simple machine learning training from start to end, and the most important, exciting thing for me are satellite image analysis. I'm going to teach you the data scientist mindset, which is the thing that you need to be able to solve any kind of real life problem which is being thrown at you. I believe that there are three different types of data scientists. One are the people who know maths very well but do not code. The other who have solid technical background but do not understand the mathematics behind the algorithms they apply. And the sweet spot in the middle, which is going to be you at the end of this program, are the people who can both code and understand the mathematics behind the algorithms. So, having said that, I hope I can see you in our next cohort and stay safe in the meantime.